if, so of course, walay project ang Girl Scout ka dili mahumay. So you will be the next. Thank you so much. Ay, so, stop na lang lagi. Good morning, everyone. We're at Silai Daycare Center with Purok Silai Daycare Center with Teacher, of course, at the course ni Tita. Ang Tita nga mag-ship niya galing sa Charot. And then we're gonna later enjoy eating. Eh, monta ka mag-vlog ko, ha? Okay, this is the ground. Yan po ang focus ng kanilang project. Minor repair, of course, also the fencing, part sila ang project basta. They will try to change the fences. Portion of this here's the Purok stage. It's part of the project Ayan, may bit-bit po silang mga pagkain para sa lahat. Good morning, atis! Ayan. Diba? Busog ang mga people. Ayan. Busog ang mga people. Ayan. Kailan din itong kuwan ka na pero kung tayo may pari na mga. Ay, mga. Isa pa picture.
1, 2, 3.
Yay! Very good. Una. Smile. Yes.
Ay, selfie dia, bag selfie dia.